Hey guys, Chop here. So today I'm going to show you how to set your filters and how to look at coins before you start any kind of strategy that you have, or even start trading in general. So yeah, let's get started. I do not touch about to graduate or final stretch. I do not touch new pairs unless I'm using a Twitter tracker. The only ones I focus on are migrated. And just so you know, you need to have patience. When there's a when you set your filters, you're not gonna find something instantly most of the time. It just depends how busy um the meme coin market is at the time. Some days you might be waiting there for like half an hour or hours until you find a good coin. Some days you might find a good coin within 5 minutes, maybe 30 seconds, right? So to get back onto it, your settings, uh dev holding percentage, I usually put 5 at most. 10 if it's like really slow. I go between 5 and 10. Sometimes I put like some percent. Sometimes I put 9%. Sometimes 6. Your snapper percentage max 15. Insiders max 15. Bundle max 15. On the low end 5. You can put any percentage in between. So it could be 7. It could be 12. It could be 11. It could be whatever number between 5 and 15. The main part about this filter is that my minimum volume is 100K and my minimum market cap is usually 40 to 45,000. You can play around with them. Just remember when you increase the market cap, increase the volume. My rule of thumb is the volume needs to be minimum 2 times to 2.5 times what the market cap is. So like if your market cap was 40,000, 2 times would be 80. 2.5 times would be around like 100K. 100 I want to say 120K. And then from there, so like example, you put like let's say you want to go for a higher market cap coin, so you put like 950K, and then your volume would be like 2.50. There you go, 2.5 million. So let's say we click apply. There you go. There's 2 coins. We could go with this one here. As you see, this is a pretty healthy chart. It's taking this dip. See, was that like a high of 2.7? Came down to 600K. You'd buy like around here or around here. And look at that. If you bought at a million, right, at the dip of a million from 2.5K, let's see what the dip percentage would be. So from there to a million would be a 60% dip, which is pretty good. You bought there at 1.35, would have made about 30%. So like let's check that out. See right there. Oh, you sold at 1.3. It made 34%. You put in $100, came out with 33 bucks. You put in a whole Solana, you came out with zero point 0.3 Solana, which is pretty good. So back to it. So I'm going to put 100K again, and I'm going to put this time I'm going to put maybe like 40. Yeah, let's put 40K. So I put 40,000 market cap, 100K volume. And you come down to it. Okay, now look, 212K volume to 71K market cap. That's about 3 times. And tada, look at that. We found a coin that has been growing upwards. Right? Bundle percentage is really low, 4.98%. Let's say we got into this maybe a few minutes earlier. Caught the dip right here, 75%. The max you ever want to do on a dip is like 75% at most. 70 to 75%. Because honestly, if you go anything lower than that, the coin could just keep dying. You might just hit bottom. That could be the bottom right there. And then you're basically just screwed. Look at that, 30%. 30% right there, 26%. That's not bad. buying it at the bottom at 24K, selling at 31, you made 26% right there. $100 into there, came out with 126. And that's on a 5 second chart. So that thing you made, let's say you bought it at the top of the first bar. Let's look at it. At the top of the first bar. It's 5, 10, 15 seconds. Top of the fourth bar, you made fucking 20. You would have made 26K. 5, 10, 15 seconds right there. Now let's go back. Let's find a different coin. Let's see what we can find here. We can try. Let's go with 10 dime. 27% hold by top 10. Let's see. We just missed it. We just missed it. The best thing about the strategy is that you can make with this with these filters is that you can find coins on their way down, so you can make profits on each pump, or you can find coins at the beginning or coins on the way up. So example, if I scroll down earlier and I clicked on this coin, we would have probably found it somewhere around the top or coming down, like maybe like a few minutes before it came down. So we could have probably found it here, here, or here, and all these here you would have been able to do quick percentages. Don't ever be afraid to take 9% profit, 10%, 12, 18, 17. Yeah, Pumpkin takes their percentages, but you gotta think about it like this: you're building a bag from a small amount. All right, you're building your portfolio. Yeah, 9% may not seem like a lot, but you keep putting in $100 per trade, you will build it up. You'll build and you'll build and you'll build. But the minimum you want to take is like 20% to like max like 50 or more. If you have small amounts, do not take multiples. Do not wait for multiples. Just take what you can get. Set auto take profits. So always, for me, I put minimum 18%. So so let's go back here, and then we're gonna go to a different coin. We'll go to back to NFT. So as you see, from the time we left to now, it's made some movement. So from there to here, I'm assuming we've been gone for about 2 minutes. As you see, could made a quick like 50% right there. The dip. Could made you buy right here, go up here. No, just like that. So when you're using these filters, all you have to do is just switch them around depending on how busy the meme coin market is. So if it's a slow day, switch up your filters so often you're evolving to market cap. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys.